So for this question, Aubrey can walk 4½ miles in 1½ hours. Find her average speed in miles per hour. So again, we're going to set it up like a proportion. So we have 4½ miles in 1½ hours, and that is X miles in 1 hour. So we want to figure out how much that would be. So it would be 4½ times 1, which would give us 4½ divided by 1½ Let's rewrite it. 4½ divided by 1½ Change them to improper fractions. It gives us 9/2 divided by 3/2. We'll do keep change reciprocal. Cross simplify. Multiply straight across and get 3/1, which is 3 miles in 1 hour. So go ahead and make sure you submit your Nearpod, and then you can go choose the practice you want to do.